Hello, little mathematicians. Welcome to Rain and Shine. Today, we are going to have some fun with numbers. Are you ready to learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division? Let's get started. First up is addition. Addition is when we put things together. Let's try an example. Look. We have 2 apples here and 3 apples here. If we put them together, how many apples do we have? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Great job! Now let's talk about subtraction. Subtraction is when we take something away. We have 5 balloons. But if 2 balloons fly away, how many are left? Let's count the balloons left. 1, 2, 3. So, 5 minus 2 equals 3. You're doing awesome. Next is multiplication. Multiplication is like adding the same number over and over again. Here we have 2 rows of cookies and each row has 3 cookies. Let's count all the cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2 times 3, which equals 6. So, 2 times 3 equals 6. Now, let's learn about division. Division is when we share things equally. We have 6 candies and we want to share them with 2 friends. How many candies will each friend get? Let's divide them equally. 1, 2, 3 for you and 1, 2, 3 for you. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. You did an amazing job today with your math. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are so much fun when we practice together. Remember to keep practicing, and soon you'll be a math whiz.